How to boot in safe mode in Windows 11. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode that allows you to troubleshoot issues by loading only essential system files and drivers. So if you are experiencing problems with your computer and need to troubleshoot or fix software conflicts, stick around as we guide you through the steps to boot into safe mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, go to the settings. In the system section, scroll down. Click on the recovery settings. In the recovery settings, you'll find the option to restart your computer into safe mode. Look for the advanced startup section and click on the restart now button. To restart into safe mode, you can also click on start menu, click on the power button, then press and hold shift button, then click on shutdown. You can do any of that. Click on restart now. Your computer will now restart and you'll see the Windows Recovery Environment screen. In the Windows Recovery Environment screen, click on the Troubleshoot option. This will take you to the Troubleshoot menu. Then click on Advanced Options. Now click on Startup Settings. Now click on the Restart button to reboot your computer and access the startup settings. Once your computer restarts again, you'll see a list of options in Startup Settings menu. Press the number key corresponding to the Enable Safe Mode option or press the F4 key to boot into safe mode. Your computer will now boot into safe mode. You'll find yourself in a simplified version of Windows with limited functionality and only essential system files and drivers loaded. Now you can troubleshoot and fix software conflicts, remove problematic applications, or perform other troubleshooting steps to resolve issues with your computer. When you are troubleshooting and want to exit safe mode, simply restart your computer as you would do normally. Windows will boot back into the regular mode with all the functionality and drivers restored. That's it. You now know how to boot into safe mode in Windows 11. Safe mode is a powerful tool for troubleshooting and resolving software-related issues on your computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial reviewer channel for more videos.